There are several people who come across my channel for a variety of reasons, whether it be due to a YouTube search algorithm or they are specifically trying to find things for which I'm associated on YouTube, particularly on resources involving Reformed theology and interacting with those of the Church of Christ perspective. Recently in a roundtable, I was given an opportunity to explain myself, who I was, and what was my mission in life. And I wanted to share this with you because this is an expression of my heart, of what I stand for, and I hope that you can see that too in the body of my work.
But as for myself, I consider myself just a Christian, someone who wants to be faithful to the teaching of the Word of God. That's where my allegiance lies, and that's where I intend to focus the purpose of this discussion. I want to be just a Christian following the teachings of the Word of Christ to the complete, full letter that He spoke.
So that's just a small summary of my goal and purpose for the material that I present on a regular basis. I hope you are benefited by that, and please know that this is what I strive for.